The Nikon Z5 II distinguishes itself as a value-driven, full-frame mirrorless camera equipped with a 24.5 megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor that delivers outstanding image quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. Its advanced AI-powered autofocus system ensures fast and accurate subject tracking, making it suitable for capturing dynamic scenes and wildlife. The robust 5-axis in-body image stabilization provides up to 7.5 stops of compensation, allowing for sharp handheld shots and smooth video footage. Video creators will appreciate its uncropped 4K recording and internal NRAW support, offering flexibility in post-production. Dual UHS-2 SD card slots add reliability for professional workflows, enabling simultaneous recording or backup. Recent price reductions and compatibility with Nikon's expanding Z-mount lens lineup make the Z5 II an even more attractive option. Recognized with industry accolades, it stands out as an affordable yet capable entry into Nikon's Z system for both photographers and content creators. To get the most out of your Nikon Z5 II, consider pairing it with high-quality Z-mount lenses, such as the versatile Nikon Z 24-70mm f2.8s2, which offers impressive sharpness and pleasing bokeh. Regularly updating your camera's firmware is also important, as it ensures you benefit from the latest performance enhancements and bug fixes. For those interested in videography, investing in essential accessories like a sturdy tripod, an external microphone, and ND filters can greatly expand your creative possibilities. These thoughtful additions help you unlock the camera's full potential, providing flexibility and reliability for both photography and video projects. By following these recommendations, you can ensure your Z5 II delivers optimal results across a variety of shooting scenarios.